Applying Rockwell Automation solutions increases the quality of the packaging lines. We'll find out more with Guillem Clofent, Managing Director of Mespack. What kind of packaging lines Mespack supplies to the international markets?
Hello, Sonia. Mespack is a leading company in the flexible packaging and end-of-line equipment industry. We're based in Barcelona, in Spain, and we have production sites in Barcelona, in Chicago, and also in Baroda, out of India. We serve multinational customers, always expecting high-end equipment like the ones we supply thanks to Rockwell technology.
Mespack is an OEM partner of Rockwell Automation. Why did you choose this collaboration?
I could mention many reasons, but one I think that it's the most important is flexibility. Look, our customers, they need to follow the market trends, which are very dynamic. So sometimes they need to change format, they need to change the design, they need to change the product. The automation level that you provide to our machines enable this flexibility to our customers. So that's one of the reasons.
So for a high-quality packaging line and high-quality technology, Rockwell Automation.